In today's video, I'm going to teach you two simple ways to mute audio in CapCut, giving you full control over the sound in your video projects. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening CapCut on your device. Once you're in the app, you'll want to kick off a new project. To do this, simply tap on the New Project button and you'll be prompted to import your video clip. Choose the video file you want to work with and it'll appear on your timeline, ready for editing. Now, let's talk about the first and easiest method to mute your audio. With your clip selected on the timeline, look for the volume option. This can usually be found at the bottom of your screen when you have a clip selected. Tap on it and you'll see a slider appear. Your task here is to drag that slider all the way down to 0. This action will keep the audio track intact, but it will be completely silent during playback, allowing you to focus on the visual elements of your video without any background noise. Moving on to our second method, which goes a little further in terms of audio management. Begin by selecting your video clip again. This time, you'll want to look for the option to extract audio. Once selected, you'll notice that CapCut creates a new, separate audio track below your video on the timeline. This extracted track represents all of the audio associated with your original clip. With this separate audio track in place, you have the flexibility to delete it entirely if that's your preference. Tap on the audio track and typically a few options will pop up, including one to delete. Choosing to delete this track removes it from your project altogether, meaning you won't have to worry about adjusting the volume at any point down the line. This method is particularly handy if you're aiming for a completely clean video with no sound whatsoever. Perfect for when you plan to add a different soundtrack or professional voiceover later. And there you have it. Two quick and straightforward methods to mute audio in CapCut, tailored to suit the specific needs of your project. By either lowering the volume to a whisper or removing the audio track entirely, you have the freedom to decide how you want your video to be heard or not heard at all. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more editing tutorials. Keeping control of your audio is just as important as mastering the visuals, and with these techniques, you're well on your way to creating polished, professional videos. Thanks for watching and happy editing.